Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to learn how to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond using federal government cleaning contracts. So I'm going to go in today to how to market probably specifically to the Department of Defense, which is one of our largest buyers. I know the Department of the Army is absolutely the largest buyer of janitorial cleaning. All of it is a 561720 NICS code. That's the NICS code that identifies our services to a federal government contracting buyer. So that's our NICS code, 561720. So I'm going to go into a little bit of details on what you need to do to actually look at how to get the government buyers to recognize you, to notice you, and how to get your foot in the door to get your first contract. And like I said, I'm going to kind of specifically talk about DoD or give you some tips that I would suggest for DoD. So one of the first things you need to do is follow the money. It makes no sense to try to market to a federal government agency that does not buy our stuff, that doesn't use our services. Now, almost all of them do, but it absolutely makes more sense for us to focus in on the ones that do absolutely the most buying from us, which is the Department of Defense. They spent over $80 billion within the last couple of years, 80 with a B, with small businesses doing government contracts. And I am very, very sure that the cleaning business or cleaning industry was probably one of the top ones in that 80 billion. So the first thing you want to do is follow the money. The second thing I always talk about, making sure you have all your business in order. That comes to your EIN number, DUNS, SAM's registration, and creating your DSBS, which is your Dynamic Small Business Search Profile. Those are very important. And there's certain key things you want to do when you're looking at doing that as well. The next thing I would talk about is making sure that you are able to talk about what makes you different. What is your differentiator? What makes you stand out from the other great business owners, great cleaning business owners? Why you? Why should I choose you? No matter what video you listen to, and I'm talking about marketing, I am going to make sure they'll let you know that is one of the biggest selling points. Talking about what is your differentiator, what makes you stand out. The other thing you want to talk about is how are you going to fit into the project? What are you going to do to show that you're going to be the one that's going to either save the money, time, other than the differentiator, specifically what is going to make them feel comfortable that you're going to save the money or time. So you want to talk about, understanding why they should choose you other than just your differentiators. Go a little bit deeper than that. You want to make sure that you create your niche, that you have what you're doing to do, or your niche. You want to make sure that you know what your market you're trying to look at targeting, that you're going to target, and be laser focused to make sure you're focused what it is that you're doing. The other thing you want to make sure of is that you have a system in place for understanding who buys what from where, for how much, and when. So that's really important. And there are certain ways that you can find out who is buying what, from where, for how much, when. And all of this is so important because when you're placing your bids, you want to be laser focused on all of that information. Now, if you listen to a lot of government buyers, they'll say that sometimes you want to start 18 months out when you've got to piece it all together. Now, I'm going to give you something that should shorten the learning curve like that. One of the things you can do is join my masterclass. My masterclass on make money with government contracts, how to make money with government contracts, how to make big money with government contracts. And we simplify the process, the proposal process, cut it down into a simplified process. So if you want to make this process a lot more easier, a lot simpler, then make sure you join me for my masterclass. Because like I said, getting all the different areas from the requirements to how to market to where to go, what agencies, which ones you have the best information on that's going to utilize the janitorial services. Well, this masterclass has all of that and more. I package it together, make it simplified. It's absolutely free so that you can learn what you need to do to be able to market to the federal government to get federal government cleaning contracts. If you'd love to know that, then it's a live presentation. We do a question and answer after. I love the energy. Bring the energy. I have a lot of interaction questions. If you like to be quiet, you can do that. Or if you'd like to talk and get to know a little bit more about what you need to do, that's great. That's like great as well. I love both. So some people are quiet. They're kind of like don't really want to talk. They want to listen. And others feel like they process it better when they ask questions. Whichever way, I just want you there so you can learn, cut through the noise, get into the game. It's going on into 2021. And this is the time to figure out what you need to do step by step by step and learn and understand whom is buying what from where, how much, what agencies are buying your cleaning products and supplies and services. So that sounds like a good fit for you. I'd love to see you. Make sure you register. Click the link below to be in the description. And if you have any further questions, then make sure you reach out to me at 407-595-1598. This is Mrs. M. Once again, reach out to us at 407-595-1598. And till next time, be safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.